Hey, this is Dr. Brian Adkins with the Adkins Academy. Hey, did you know that there's a shortage of over 200,000 nurses per year that are needed right now in the healthcare industry? These hospitals are begging for staff nurses. And so if you're looking to really get to the next level, go from being an LPN or an MA or a dialysis tech or a radiology tech or something like that, and you're really looking to get into being a nurse, and so being an RN, a registered nurse, certainly progressing to be a nurse practitioner, certainly get that master's degree in nursing or even be a certified nurse anesthetist, then definitely you got to start with taking the TEAS test, taking your prerequisites, right? Getting through the process to actually get into nursing school. And so that's where we come in to help you. So I can help you with that process of getting into nursing school by helping you to get past your prerequisites, get past the TEAS test, certainly understanding and identifying different programs and different schools that will help you to get directly into an ADN or BSN program. Don't even waste your time doing the LPN, right? And so if you're already a CNA, if you're in an MA right now, you've already taken the prerequisites, definitely don't do an LPN program. What I would suggest is go directly into an ADN program, okay? And so for the same amount of time and energy and effort and money that you can spend doing the LPN, you might as well just do the ADN. The counselors won't really tell you that, I know it, right? But again, I'm telling you, you can go directly into an ADN or BSN program. But let's talk about how. And so part of that is really getting past the TEAS test. You have to do very well on the TEAS test. A lot of these nursing schools are getting 500 to 1,000 applicants. Some of the bigger schools, the Texas Women's University, the Sacramento State, the University of Central Florida, right? A lot of these other schools all around the country really are getting upwards of 1,500 to even 2,000 applicants for the whole year. And so with that, they only have about 50 or 60 seats. And so how is it that you get into one of these seats at these highly competitive nursing schools? Well, you have to get your TEAS score into the 80s and 90s, right? And so whether we're talking the TEAS or the HESI, you definitely want to be competitive. You don't want to be like some of these students who are getting into these fake nursing schools with 40s and 50s on the TEAS test, and then later on find out that the degree is actually worthless, okay? So definitely don't go down that path. And so I'm Dr. Brian Atkins. Like I said, I can help you to get into a really great competitive nursing school and help you to get a really great TEAS score and help you prepare and make sure that you go into nursing school not just kind of maybe iffy, don't know whether you're going to pass or not, but really prepared to take it to the next level and get into a great job after nursing school and actually finish nursing school. A lot of these schools, I said, are taking 50 or 60 students, but they're only graduating 38 or 42 or something, right? So what happened to those other students? They weren't prepared. And so it starts with being prepared with the prerequisites, being prepared with the TEAS test, and then obviously being prepared and ready to go full steam ahead when you get into nursing school. And so as a medical doctor, I help you to get there, okay? And so we have a couple different options with my program. What I offer is a live online TEAS test prep course. It's not a click and play, it's not a recording, it's not somebody that I hired to teach my classes. I actually teach my own classes. So every Sunday and every single Wednesday throughout the entire year, Mother's Day, Father's Day, I'm always teaching class, right? Super Bowl Sunday, I was teaching class, right? And so I'm glad Kansas City Chiefs won, but I was teaching class that day, okay? So with that, you do have the opportunity to certainly engage and ask questions and participate. And so it's more of a study session where we have, 15, 20, 30 people or so per class, but it's meant to be a small study group as we go through hundreds of questions together and get your questions answered. And so it's not just like I said, a click and play. It's not me just saying, hey, go memorize these bones on the diagram, or hey, go memorize this periodic table, or hey, figure it out yourself, right? And that's what you get with a lot of books. There are a lot of books out there, but when we look at the TEAS test, the national average for the TEAS test is about a 65, right? And as I said, if you want to get a 65 and not get in, do that, right? But if you're looking to really get into an 85 or even 95, then I can help you to do that, okay? And so that will get you into a lot of these really competitive schools, okay? But with that, it requires hard work. We put in a lot of work. My classes are 4 or 5 hour classes as we're working through hundreds of questions and strategies and topics. But I can tell you, I've written every single one of the questions that we go through, right? From my experience of having been in this space for over 15 years, helping over 5,000 nursing students to get into nursing school. And so I can help you to do the same thing. And so if you're looking for an opportunity to really go through, wrestle through the questions, wrestle through the concepts, really understand the fundamental concepts of the fundamental concepts and the fundamental principles of the question, and then be able to grow your knowledge beyond that, then I am your guy. I can help you to do that. I can help you and give you a lot of real clinical application to the question, a lot of background knowledge and understanding to the question, and help you to really understand it so that when you go into the TEAS test, you too can get a 92 easily, right? So I'll show you how to easily get into the 80s and 90s by really understanding the concepts in the material. So if you're looking to do that, definitely take a look at to the left here. You'll see. So definitely take a look at to the right here. I'm sorry. You'll see the different plans. We have the silver plan, the gold plan, the diamond plan, and the platinum plan. And so in terms of the plans, it's really about what's going to work well for you, right? And so what the level of engagement that you're looking for. And so with the silver plan, we have the option where you can just take each of the core classes once. Okay, but if you're looking for much more engagement, you're looking really to take it to the next level and get help throughout the entire process, then we have different options, different plans for you. So take a look at the different tabs there on the right, and you can certainly see the different options that we have in terms of the silver, the gold, the diamond, and also the platinum plan, and choose the one that's right for you. Okay, if you have any questions, you can certainly absolutely always reach out to me. So I'm Dr. Brian Atkins. You can reach out to me directly, and so 301-960-4950 is my office line, so you can definitely reach me anytime for any questions that you have. And so you can see on the whiteboard on the website here, on the web page, you can see a lot of text messages, a lot of score reports. These are score reports that my students have sent me directly, and so I'd love to see your score report on the website. I'd love to see your text message go on the website as well. And so if you're looking for an opportunity to really excel and get to the next level, definitely enroll today. All right, we'll see you.